center for the children who are in difficulty. We call it Gloria Christi Regi Center. Glory to the Christ the King. Meaning of that is a Latin word. So 6 years ago, we were invited by the bishop to assume this apostle because it was not really coming from us. We came here in Tago 10 years, no, 12 years ago, no, for another purpose. But because of this center that was first administered by another congregation, and they left because they focus more in the education. And since our congregation name is Sisters of the Poor, St. Catholics here, so our work is actually catering this kind of children. So the Gloria Christi Regi Center was basically by the diocese, organized by the diocese, but administered by our congregation. During COVID, they entrusted all the full operation of this center. But we are not rich congregation, so when we assumed this one, they told us that they gave us actually 6 years to stay here, and we're finishing this is our last year. And good-hearted, Tago residents donated a lot for us, for the center, for these children, and the construction is ongoing. And this is actually our very goal at this time to raise this. We are already in the second phase and third phase now. The first phase was the foundation. The second is the second floor for the children. So then the third is the convent, because it's a 2-in-1 project, towards the convent and the center of the children, because we don't have house. We are here to cater the children who are really in difficulty. Some of them, they have cases, and they're bilingual, etc. And we are, although they are growing up, we are in the process also for them to find their families if this very also we're helping also how this family can really assume, because some are single mom because the father prison or the other one really single mom. And sometimes our parents cannot allocate only that parent. So that's why they stay more. Until now, they're already 18. But some of them, they're already in their age, but they have difficulty because they are, let's say, delayed in their growth. So even though they're 18, they're still elementary, something like that. And, but they're studying in public schools. So we cater them. They are here for more than 3 years, 4 years. Some already 7, something like that. So at this time, our very urgent the help that we are. That's why we went around during Christmas for that purpose, to raise funds for raising the building to finish this building. At least the first that we can transfer, because that this place, this house is already dilapidated. When these are problems, especially the flood during rain, so they until the knee there, like a swimming pool in front of us. And that's it. We are many fundraisings that we are doing, solicitations, pledges, livelihood. We can show to you our store. We are doing bracelets. Everything that we can do. The children also helping us with this. That's IGP, income generating program that we are having. And this is another one. We had twice already for trans. The first two feeding. It's not feeding. We call it how do you call that? For meal for a cause, no? So we're feeding 150 children, no? And 110 each. One sponsor will cater 10 kids, no, to feed. So that's the fundraising. No? Then the last one was the dinner for a cause. You know, we serve dinner for our friends and benefactors that time. So we raise funds in order to finish the first phase, to complete. Because it is a 15M project, so we paid already 7M, almost 7M. Yeah, because 555. So yeah, we paid 7M already. So this is how we are doing at this time. Because when they think that we are religious and etc., we can raise funds. We don't have schools. We work as professors like that. But here we don't. We just receive some funding, some friends like that. More or less support. And thanks be to God, the people in Bago is very generous. Yeah. They give us a lot of sacks of rice, you know, the basic commodities. We're not lucky. Yeah, thanks be to God. Yeah, thanks be to God. No, we are still running, although we have the funds that was left to us is already finishing, because before we are because of how do you call this one? We are paying before the cook. Before, because they were little before, so they cannot cook. So we have to hire cook. Now they are growing up. We have driver to bring them to school. We have we have social worker to pay and house parent to pay. There were 4 before, and thanks be to God, because the city of Taguig paid our guard. You know? So this 4, it was heavy for us to give them the salary because it is according to the standard. It's not low. But now this year we just started that no more house parent, because we are the one house. We are 4 already, because before we are only 3 sisters. It was hard for them. So now we are 4, and 1 is the house parent, 2 are the house parents at this time. So we're not paying house parent. We are the one. It's voluntary because it's coming from us. So, and we are only paying the social worker, the driver. There are only 2 now. At least 2 now. It is this March. Because the other one, the house parent has to resign because she was studying. So this is her last year. So she asked to resign. And that's why we are assuming. At least for this time, there are only minimal for expenses, but also our lives, you know, our water, these things, the internet, you know, the children needs for their studies, and also our communication. So that's where the donations go for this purpose. Welcome sa muna mga ginahimo nila sisters. Dari mo ang working place.
Pwede mo sunod, sister?
Sure.
Lagay mo ba mo inani, children?
Always touch with the religious and may cross, may mga Mary. So ito yung mga finished products. Dito pa lang mahimo na.
Kami mga bata, gahimo namin.
Oh, nagahimo po sila rosaries, especially. So, bracelets. Rosaries. Morning amo ang bagong product karon mo. Nani siya, pero pwede siya parang bracelets. Ay, ano siya.
Wow.
Ano lang siya. So, parang nis mga payat. Kaya sa imang gunaway gihimo, taas kaayo.
Ay, ikaw po nagahimo ko ka, sister.
O kami, mga bata kami. So, ganun siya. Dapat nakasabit yun siya. Uso niya siya sa mga bata pero may rani. So we will not only this one, we will put also may religion na. Para mindful sila ba na our symbol, our ano ba. So pwede po niya siyang ipa-bless, no? For protection po. Nag-order po, like for example, first communion, magbibigay mga rosaries, mga inana. It is an opportunity for me to say thank you for this initiative, no? And we are happy that they are willing to have this, not only considerations, no, but the heart to extend whatever you can extend for help to us. Opportunity for me to say thank you very much, no, for this noble, no, act of helping those who are in need, really. And we've been praying for this every day. That's always our intention, that there will be generous people who can help us, because we are even thinking how to raise funds, no? That will not always be asking. So we're thinking, how can we find, like for example, our place there in front, we are looking for someone who can rent. So that will be another source of income for us, so that we can operate. So the 2,000 square meter land was donated to us, the front, because we're in the highway. So we are like thinking of 7-Eleven or convenience store who can rent the place, in the front, because we build the building at the inside. So there is still space for those who would like to rent, so that we will not be always be begging for help for this purpose. So we can also raise something for us. So thank you so much, and of course, we are always connected through prayers. Our children always pray for their benefactors, and we are there very mindful that there are people who are always helping them. Thank you very much.